Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, we sort of had to pump the brakes on that nice spring weather yesterday and basically just crash it off into the woods because we're back to what we will typically see for this time of year, sort of an unstable weather pattern where we get some nice days and then you get more of what we're looking at like this. And unfortunately, this is going to stick around probably for about the next 6 to 7. Let's go outside and I'll show you some of the dynamics that are working across western Oregon and most of the northwest right now. Cold front attached to an area of low pressure up across Vancouver Island, mainly over towards the coast of western British Columbia, draping its way now across most of western Oregon and Washington, producing some still heavy rains and even some good hefty snowfall as well. The snow lines tonight into tomorrow will be dropping down to around 3,500 feet. So that's going to put passes in play for getting some accumulating snow. It should be light, but still a lot of folks have already taken off their chains, traction tires and whatnot. And if you have to go over the passes, just take it easy. That's the best advice I can give you. All right, so here's what we've got. A couple of heavier pockets outside of Salem. You can see just south of Corvallis as well, pretty much most of the I-5 up from Albany down towards Eugene, and even south of that moving its way down in towards Goshen, getting some scattered showers and a little bit of heftier, we'll call it steady rain pushing its way through. South of that, some spotty rain across parts of the Umpqua. They've only seen about a 0.05 of an inch today, almost 0.4 of an inch in Corvallis and Eugene, about 0.2 out towards Newport, and just over 0.3 of an inch of rain out towards North Bend and Coos Bay. So here's how we're going to set up the next couple of days. We'll see scattered showers tonight, although they'll become a little more isolated than what we saw this afternoon once the front starts to clear the Cascades. Breezy, isolated thunderstorm chances again tomorrow. We'll see another area of low pressure wind in late tomorrow night into Thursday, excuse me. Heavy snow up in the mountains, especially at the ski resorts. And then we put all this together, multiple days of rain as we get into the weekend. We may be watching those river levels, especially some of the smaller or sort of windy creeks that are real tight in corners, may get real close to their banks as well. We'll have to keep a close watch on that. Highs across the state, not the case here. 59 in Portland, 59 in Eugene, 54 in Bend, and 50s out to the coast. Pretty much everybody will likely stay right around those numbers over the next couple of days. And here's the one for tomorrow night into Thursday. Area of low pressure winding around. There's the one attached to the cold front, now kind of falling apart. This one will grab its energy, slingshot more headed our way. Basically, more scattered showers and more little disturbances that will ride along the flow with the jet stream. You can see them kind of pop up showers overnight into early Wednesday morning, some heavy pockets of snow, and then same thing as we get into the afternoon. So almost a repeat of what we've seen today. We'll see again for tomorrow. And then as we go in towards your Wednesday night and Thursday, there is the low itself. Once that gets closer, basically blasting in to central and southern parts of the state, we'll likely see some pretty hefty winds with that. And there's more coming as we head into the weekend as well. Get to it here in the 7 in a second. So here's what it looks like along the coast. Slight chance for an isolated thunderstorm, mainly just showers on and off throughout the day, breezy as well. Same thing for the Umpqua. Temperatures will be in the mid-50s, showers, breezy, Cascades. That'll mean about 2 to 4 inches of snow with the snow lines at around 3,500 feet. Spotty showers, an isolated thunderstorm, and some snow mixing in across central Oregon. And spotty showers with possibly an isolated thunderstorm as well by the afternoon. And a cool, wet one for us here across the Willamette Valley. The coast looking very wet throughout most of the 7-day forecast. May get a bit of a break Sunday into early Monday. The Umpqua, same story. Pretty much steady showers over the next 4 to 5 days. In the Cascades, that means steady snow over the next 4 to 5 days. Great for the ski resorts to kind of add on to their season. And then for us here in the Willamette Valley, we'll see mid to upper 50s, below where we should be, and certainly nowhere near that record-setting 74 of yesterday. I mean, it's just a massive change in 24 hours. It's crazy.
It was beautiful.
It was.
And now we got rain.
We'll have more days like that. Not
they'll come. Yeah,
too far down the road.
Just get through this for the next couple weeks.
Week of rain.
That's right.
Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.